Understanding dark circles, a common concern. Dark circles under the eyes are a common beauty concern. They can affect people of all ages, genders, and skin tones. While usually harmless, dark circles can make us look tired, older, or even unhealthy. The good news is that there are ways to reduce their appearance and achieve a brighter, more refreshed look. Decoding the appearance. What do dark circles look like? Dark circles are characterized by a darkening of the skin under the eyes. They often appear as bluish or purplish shadows, creating a tired or sunken look. The skin under the eyes is delicate and thin, making blood vessels more visible. When these blood vessels dilate or leak, they can cast a shadow, contributing to the appearance of dark circles. The severity of dark circles can vary. Some individuals may have mild discoloration, while others experience more prominent darkening. Factors like skin tone, age, and the underlying cause can influence the appearance of dark circles. The science behind dark circles. Why do they form? The skin under our eyes is much thinner than the skin on the rest of our face. This thinness makes blood vessels more visible, which can create a bluish or purplish hue. Additionally, the body produces a pigment called melanin, which gives our skin its color. When we experience factors like lack of sleep or dehydration, the blood vessels under our eyes can dilate, making them more prominent and contributing to dark circles. Furthermore, as we age, our skin naturally loses collagen and thins, further emphasizing the appearance of these blood vessels. Section 4. Culprits behind the curtain. Common causes of dark circles. Genetics plays a significant role in dark circles. Some individuals are predisposed to having thinner skin or producing more pigment in the under-eye area. Allergies can also contribute to dark circles. When we have an allergic reaction, our bodies release histamines, which can cause blood vessels to dilate and leak, leading to under-eye puffiness and darkening. Lifestyle factors are major culprits behind dark circles. Lack of sleep is a primary offender. When we don't get enough sleep, our blood vessels dilate, and fluid can accumulate under the eyes, making them appear puffy and dark. Dehydration is another common cause. When we're dehydrated, our skin loses elasticity, making dark circles more prominent. Excessive sun exposure can worsen dark circles. The sun's UV rays can trigger melanin production, leading to hyperpigmentation or darkening of the skin, including the under-eye area. Similarly, smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can damage the skin and contribute to dark circles. Section 5. Fighting back. Effective tips to reduce dark circles. Getting enough sleep is crucial for reducing dark circles. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Hydration is equally important. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and plump, minimizing the appearance of dark circles. A consistent skincare routine can work wonders. Use a gentle cleanser to remove makeup and impurities from the under-eye area. Apply an eye cream specifically formulated to address dark circles. Look for ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid, which can help brighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and hydrate the delicate under-eye area. Cold compresses can provide temporary relief from dark circles. Apply a cold compress, such as a chilled cucumber slice or a cold spoon, to the under-eye area for a few minutes to constrict blood vessels and reduce puffiness. Section 6. Embrace a healthier you. The final word. Dark circles under the eyes are a common concern that can be addressed with a multifaceted approach. By understanding the causes and adopting healthy habits, you can effectively reduce their appearance and achieve a brighter, more refreshed look. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to skincare. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can gradually diminish the appearance of dark circles and enhance your natural beauty.